In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a 1Password on another device. To do that, you want to go ahead and log into your admin console. And if you're not yet in admin console, you want to go ahead and click your 1Password extension. Then you want to find your account item and click on open and fill. That's going to take you over to the admin console page where you'll need to click to the password and it will fill in your password to log you into the admin console. Now click on your account on the upper right and click the option that says set up another device. Here you have all these different devices that you can set up. So you can set it up for Mac, Windows, Linux, iOS device, or an Android, or let's say for Chrome, which is going to download the Chrome extension. And so let's say I wanted to do it for an Android device. I can go ahead and I can click this 1Password for Android. It's going to open up a new window and it's going to show me that I can do this. Or you can just go to your Android device and you can go ahead and download it on your phone. And once you do that, you can actually sign in using this option. So the first step is to choose the device that the other device that you want to download it for. And if it's on a phone, you can go ahead and do that. You can click on show or scan this code. And so once you click on this, you will use it to scan and you will be able to log in with it. And as you can see right here, it says you want to open up the 1Password on the mobile device where you're not signed in and you want to select sign in. Then you will choose to scan the QR code, which you will just scan this from your computer and it's going to allow you to sign right in. And of course, you can always go ahead and sign in manually if you decide. It's really up to you, but scan the QR code is the fastest way to do this from your device, as long as you're signing in the PC version. And that's it.